Where are we going?
We are going with our friends Terry and Billy. We're going to go to the
Diamond Party.
Diamond Party. Let's go.
All right, we're going up to the piano bar this time. Never done it there before. Okay.
Good morning.
For those of you who have not got to meet yet, I'm your cruise director, T.O.D.D on the MIC. It's a lot cooler than Todd on the mic, except I'm not on the mic right now, so T.O.D is just Todd, whichever.
Your officer that really is the one build your happiness on board. I'm really honored to have you on board. So
Here, we're going to find out who our next meeting champion is going on.
Here I am with
Michelle?
And Chris.
and Chris. So, where are we going, Chris? Do you even have a clue?
Cozumel, I think.
You got it right? So anyway, so what are we going to do later tonight, Chris?
I'll be playing craps, most likely.
And what are we not going to throw? Don't
Big
say it.
Red.
Big Red.
Listen,
Big
brother,
Red.
I know.
No, Big Red. No, Big Red.
So, do you play?
No, I just
You play
watch.
slots, don't you?
Yes,
Did you say slots?
squawk.
Oh, squats? Oh boy.
Get another drink.
We're here at the atrium bar, so. Anyway, so make sure you tune in. And what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two Cruising.
Yes.
Right. And remember, no
Big Red.
Big Red. No Big Red.
No Big Red, brother.
Naughty.
Thanks.
Naughty.
No. Here I am with
Regis.
Jaya, and he operates big cranes in Port Tampa.
Yeah.
How big?
From the operator cabin, about 150 feet up off the ground.
Yeah, I'm out.
I fixed them, I don't know.
But see, he gets an elevator.
But I get an elevator.
I used to have to climb the ladder up to the top of the crane.
Yeah, us new generation are spoiled.
So anyway, where are we going? Do you remember?
We're going to Cozumel tomorrow.
What are y'all doing?
We're here for the wedding, but we're just going to go walk around Cozumel a little bit.
Okay, go to Pancho's backyard and find Raphael.
All right, Pancho's back.
Tell him Pat sent you.
All right, Pat
Yep,
said
from
it.
Party at Two Cruising and tell him Dallas Cowboys suck.
All right.
Oh, yeah, just
Hopefully
tell
they
him.
won't spit my food.
No, he won't. Oh, no, order your food first.
All
Then
right,
do
all right.
that.
That's the trick.
All right, well, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two Cruising.
That's what I thought you thought. All right, man, it was nice meeting y'all. Hope
right.
whoever got married just lost all their stuff.
Oh,
Yeah, they just lost everything. Poor guy. Anyway, thanks, guys.
All right, bye.
All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here. We got to the dinner.
We are. Like
Before
magic.
we made this recording because we were hungry. And it's dress up night, so we all got dressed up. And we're going to have a great dinner. We'll tell you what we got.
All right, we'll bring it to you. But you knew that.
You know.
See ya.
Listen, I want to say, let's have a toast to Pat and Terry for organizing this. Their famous Party of Two Cruising. I got a commission on that, right? So anyway, it's nice to have everyone here. It's nice to make new friends.
New friends?
To Pat and Terry, thank you.
Salute!
Slam them down. You guys should have been done already. Chug them. Slam it. Gotta slam it.
They are good.
God.
Was in the spring and spring good times never seem so good, so good, so good, so good. I hear you climb.
got a garden salad with plenty of French. And I got a Caesar salad as our first appetizer. My second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Terry's still working on her salad. My third and final appetizer, mushroom soup. Terry's still working on her salad. You need to speed it up. The spaghetti carbonara for my main, and Terry got the prime rib. Oh my gosh, she's got a knife. I got a banana split. Terry got nothing, but she is getting something. We just don't know where it is. Terry got, really, Terry? How healthy can we get?
And then look at Kimberly.
And then there, look, it's a bowl of sugar for Shirley. Cream brulee. Do what? All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. Guess what? We're already here again.
Comedy time with Russ Nagel. We just saw Russ Nagel like
Really
2
funny.
weeks ago, but he's really funny.
So we're back here again. I got him a coffee. Try to stay away.
There's no caffeine in it.
But I'm
I'm
not
good.
staying up very long because we got to get up really early in the morning for our excursion. Huh?
Nobody cares.
I care. Nobody cares about me. You just said nobody.
Nobody cares that you're tired.
Nobody cares about me.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
See you in a little bit.
He doesn't even care about me.
Say goodbye.
What's wrong with that?
Say goodbye.
A lot of stuff. Bye-bye.
Say goodbye. Squeeze it.
Let me put out your big mouth, guys. Sorry.
Take it. Yeah.
That was good, Caesar.
You see what I need to do for $100? Right, you see what I need to do for $100?
You need a pole, though, Caesar. You need a pole.
Yeah, Caesar.
Good evening.
Good evening. We just got out of the comedy show and we are going to party all night long.
Russ Nagel again.
Yeah, he was funny.
As you
Very
saw.
funny.
Hilarious.
Thank you,
The guy's
Wanda.
hilarious. And I've seen him like 5 times and I've never seen the same show.
And thank you, Wanda, for saving us a seat
Yep.
at the comedy show.
Wanda Ayala.
Our party with
Ayala.
the Roaring 20s.
Yep.
There's a little mouse behind us. I'm going to put my drink on her. No, I won't. She's
ahead.
my friend Tammy. But we're having fun, and we're going to party all night long. This guy's going to the casino. I'm going to sit by the casino bar.
Yeah, but I was good all day. I carried that money around in my pocket all day, never went in there.
Never went in there. He's such
We're
a
having
good
too
guy.
much fun.
But we do have to get up early in the morning. We have a very early excursion, but I am not tired tonight, baby.
I'm not
I
really
rested
looking
all
forward to
night.
it. We're doing the secret caves. And the water's 72 degrees, and I hate cold water. We're the only people that heat our pool in the summer. Sorry.
And now it's martini time.
You were supposed to drink it.
I did, because I couldn't wait. It's martini time, and cheers to a really good cruise and lots of good friends.
Yep. All right. See you in the morning, bright and early.
Cheers.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, we gotta wait for her to say bye.
Bye.
Afraid we can't be friends.
I'm going to spill a martini on you.
Good night.
I will.